South Africa has a large population of migrants. While the majority are in the country legally, unfortunately others are not. This means they don't have the necessary documents needed to register for the COVID vaccine.
While documented migrants get vaccinated alongside South Africans, those without documents, unfortunately, don't have the same access. Many of them live in communities such as this one in the heart of the capital city. Their plea is to also be considered for the jab.
And on the ground, some of their living conditions evident of why they want protection against the pandemic. Undocumented and from Zimbabwe, all she wants is a fair fighting chance against the deadly COVID virus.
I'm afraid of that COVID-19 because it's my life. Yes, I chose that I want to be vaccinated because I'm afraid of it. Yeah, because I can see that it kills many people.
And many others share her views.
I also need this to protect myself and my family also.
The Organization for Migration is currently helping to vaccinate documented migrants who work for the organization, the United Nations and their partners. However, it's concerned that little is being done to cater for the vulnerable, undocumented foreign nationals. The IOM reiterated that no one must be left behind in the vaccine drives.
Everybody should be included when it comes to vaccination. And as you have heard from our Secretary General, and you've also heard from the Director General of WHO, saying that no one is safe until we are all safe. So this includes everyone, including migrants who are documented and also including migrants who are not documented.
The C19 People's Coalition, the campaign for the COVID-19 vaccinations, are calling for government to give an undertaking that undocumented migrants will not be victimized or deported should they opt for the jab.
We need clear indication, critically from the Department of Home Affairs, that no undocumented migrants will be penalised for going forward to get their vaccination. These are the people who are most vulnerable to the pandemic, to catching it, but also spreading it. And that's why something has to give, and we need the urgency that for this situation.
The IOM is willing to partner with the state to help undocumented migrants where necessary.
We would be able to support the government to address this, and just being really mindful that the government has provided the vaccine. We have the facility here. We do have a medical health assessment center in our office, which could serve that.
The IOM remains confident that undocumented migrants who might come forward for the jab must remember that their rights are protected. Meanwhile, the Department of Health confirmed on Friday that the state is looking into plans to vaccinate undocumented migrants soon. Health DG Dr. Nicholas Crisp says the process is more complicated than what meets the eye. Dr. Crisp emphasized that they hope to conclude all plans to start vaccinating undocumented people. Patricia Fasachi, SABC News in Pretoria.